Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tree. Today in this video, I present to you some Vintage inspired Mummy Home Decor inspiration. Let's start the video. A Vintage inspired Mummy Home Decor is a warm, nostalgic decorating style that creates the feeling of a lovingly cared for family home. It combines vintage furniture, soft colors, sentimental decorations, and practical comforts to reflect the cozy, welcoming atmosphere often associated with a mother's home. Key characteristics use vintage furniture like wooden cabinets, couches, rocking chairs, and distressed tables with timeless charm. Soft color palette like cream, ivory, beige, shush cream, dusty rose, baby blue, and other muted shades. Use floral patterns like floral wallpaper, curtains, cushions, cards, and tablecloths. Add a gentle feminine touch. Use family heirlooms like old photographs, inherited china, antique clocks, handmade quartz, and treasured keepsakes. Create a sense of history. Use natural materials like oat, wicker, rattan, linen, cotton, lace, and ceramic pieces. Make the home feel warm and authentic. Use fresh flowers and greenery, like fresh cut flowers, potted herbs, or dried lavender, rattan rooms naturally. Use cozy textiles like layered blankets, embroidered cushions, crocheted shawls, and lace runners. Make spaces inviting. Functional beauty everyday items such as baskets, jars, trays, and vintage crockery are both practical and decorative. Use warm lighting like table lamps, vintage style candlelights, candles, and soft warm white bulbs. Create a relaxed atmosphere. Use personal touches like handmade crafts, children's artwork, recipe books, and meaningful decorations. Give the home character. Best rooms for this style. Living room with comfortable setting and vintage accessories. Use kitchen features open shelves, ceramic dishes, and rustic wooden accents. Dining room with a farmhouse table, floral centerpieces, and vintage tableware. Bedroom decorated with quartz, lace curtains, and antique-inspired furniture. Interior with a welcoming fence, oven baskets, and seasonal flowers. This decorating style is less about flowing trends and more about creating a home that feels comforting, timeless, and filled with cherished memories. It blends vintage elegance with everyday practicality, making each room feel welcoming and lifting. A vintage-inspired Mummy's home is designed to feel comforting, welcoming, and full of cherished memories, rather than looking like a museum. It mixes old-fashioned charm with practical, family-friendly living. Every room tells a story through treasured objects, handmade pieces, and furniture that has lasting beauty. Here are more details about this decorating style. Focus on comfort first. Choose soft sofas, cushioned chairs, cozy quartz, and furnitures. Every space should invite family members and guests to sit, relax, and spend time together. Create a collective look. Instead of buying matching furniture sets, combine features from different periods. A vintage cabinet can sit beside a newer sofa if they share similar colors or materials. Display meaningful keepsakes. Decorate with family photos, heirloom dishes, handmade crafts, old books, embroidered linens, and souvenirs that hold sentimental value. Decorate with gentle colors. Use soft neutrals and pastel shades such as cream, ivory, light shades, dusty blue, glass pink, and warm beige. These colors create a calm, timeless atmosphere. linen, cotton, lace, wicker, ceramic, and crocheted fabrics. Layering textures makes the home feel rich and inviting without looking cluttered. Bring nature indoors with fresh flowers, dark flowers, potted herbs, open baskets, and natural oak accents. Connect the home with the outdoors. Add vintage-style accessories. Look for decorative clocks, ceramic pictures, lace curtains, floral cushions, brass candlesticks, oven baskets, and antique mirrors to complete the look. Keep the home organized. Use vintage crafts, oven plates, postures, and wicker baskets to store everyday items neatly while adding decorative charm. Mix handmade and vintage items. Use crocheted blanket, embroidered pillow covers, knitted cushions, and handmade table genres. Add warmth and personality to every room. Make every room welcoming. A vintage-inspired mummy song should feel lifting and loved. Add comfortable seating, warm lighting, pleasant scents, and personal decorations that make visitors feel at home. This style celebrates tradition, family, and everyday comfort. It combines stylish vintage painting, practical design, creating a home that feels cozy, elegant, and filled with love. A vintage-inspired Farmhouse decor is about creating a home that feels warm, nurturing, and full of character. It emphasizes quality over trends that celebrate these items that have history, craftsmanship, or sentimental value. Choose furniture with timeless character. Select features that look well loved and durable, such as wooden farmhouse tables, antique dressers, rocking chairs, painter's hutches, sideboards with decorative details. A small sign of age, like natural wood grain or a gently distressed finish, add authenticity. Decorate shelves thoughtfully. Instead of filling every shelf, display a crafted collection of vintage teacups and saucers, ceramic pitchers, old recipe books, glass jars, family photographs, small potted plants, and crochet or lace accents. Use classic fabrics. Traditional fabrics help create a cozy atmosphere. Use cotton, linen, lace, crochet, floral prints, gingham text, and subtle strides. This can be used for curtains, cushions, tablecloths, and bedding. Add warmth with lighting. Lighting should feel soft rather than bright. Consider fabric lampshades, warm white bulbs, candles, or LED candles. Vintage-style bulb sconces. Small table lamps including corners. Include handmade details. Homes inspired by a caring, traditional atmosphere. Often feature handcrafted items such as crocheted blankets, embroidered pillowcases, foils, knitted baskets, handmade drapes, DIY, floral arrangements. Celebrate everyday routines. Decorate in ways that make daily life beautiful. Keep fresh flowers on the dining table. Display fabric bags on open shelves. Store fruit in a vintage bread box. Arrange fruit in a ceramic bowl. Keep a cozy blanket on the sofa. Create cozy corners. Design small spaces where family members can relax. A reading nook with a rocking chair. A window seat with floral cushions. A tea corner with vintage cups. A knitting or crochet basket beside a comfortable chair. Keep the look balanced. Avoid overcrowding the space. Leave enough open areas so each decorative item stands out. A few meaningful vintage pieces often have more impact than many small decorations. Seasonal touches. Refresh the decor throughout the year while keeping the vintage style. Spring with fresh flowers, pastel linens, and botanical prints. For summer, use light cotton fabrics, oven baskets, and wildflowers. For autumn, use plain throws, pumpkins, jarred leaves, warmth at points. For winter, use scarves, candles, evergreen shades, and cozy wooden accessories. The beauty of winter-inspired Mummy Home Decor lies in its sense of love, tradition, and comfort. It creates a peaceful home where every object has a purpose or a story, making the space feel timeless, welcoming, and deeply personal. A winter-inspired Mummy Home Decor style is more than a decorating theme. It creates a home that values comfort, family tradition, and timeless beauty. Every room feels welcoming, functional, and filled with thoughtful details. Designed with a sense of history, choose items that appear to have been collected over many years, rather than purchased all at once. Mixing antiques, vintage parts, and quality borrowed pieces creates a home with character. Lake natural oak shine. Wood is one of the defining elements of this style. Use oak, pine, walnut, and declaimed wood bring warmth and authenticity to furniture, shelving, flooring, and decorative accents. Keep stories attractive. Use decorative stories that blends into the room, such as wicker baskets for blankets, wooden plates for magazines, glass doors for pantry staples, vintage trunks for seasonal items, fabric light baskets for toys and crafts. And charming wall decor instead of leaving walls plain. Decorate with botanical illustrations, vintage landscape paintings, decorative lattice, antique clocks. Wooden sign with simple classic designs. Make the kitchen feel lived in. A vintage-inspired kitchen often includes open shelving displaying everyday dishes, ceramic mixing bowls, wooden cutting boards, copper or enamel cookware, tray shelves on the windowsill, linen to towels hung neatly or hooks. Bring softness to the bedroom. Create a peaceful detail by layering quartz or crochet bedspreads, floral or starched leather, lace-trimmed pillows, wooden bedside tables, soft bedside lamps, fresh flowers in a simple vase. Add subtle fragrance. A welcoming home appeals to more than just nice. Gentle scents help enhance the atmosphere. With lavender, rose, vanilla, jasmine, cinnamon during cooler months, lemon and cattails. Mix old and new carefully. Modern conveniences can fit beautifully into a winter zone. Hide cards, choose appliances in natural colors when possible. And surround modern items with natural materials to maintain the classic look. Celebrate handmade craftsmanship. Display handcrafted items proudly, such as crocheted table runners, embroidered napkins, hand-woven baskets, handmade pottery, knitted cushions, sewn fabric ornaments. Create a welcoming atmosphere. The essence of this style is hospitality. Fresh flowers on the table, a cozy chair on the sofa, neatly arranged books, and a warm cup of tea ready for guests all help make the home feel inviting. A vintage-inspired Mummy's home is not about perfection. Small imperfections, treasured heirlooms, handmade decorations, and sign of everyday life all contribute to its charm. The goal is to create a home that feels peaceful, loved, and welcoming to everyone who walks through the door. A vintage-inspired Mummy's Home Decor style celebrates family, comfort, and timeless elegance. It creates spaces that feel peaceful, inviting, and filled with treasured memories. Every decorative element is chosen not only for its beauty, but also for the warmth it brings to everyday life. Create a home that tells a story instead of decorating with brand new items only. include pieces that have sentimental value: an old sewing machine, a grandmother's teapot, a vintage photo album, or a handmade quilt can become meaningful focal points. Carved and graceful furniture. Furniture with rounded edges, carved oak details, spindle legs, turned legs, and classic vintage chair. The softer shapes makes room feel elegant and welcoming. Decorate with flowers. Flowers are one of the most recognizable features of this style. You can use fresh garden flowers in glass or ceramic vases, dried lavender or eucalyptus, use floral prints, decorations, and cushions. Botanical artwork brings mix from seasonal flowers. The true beauty of this style comes from combining vintage charm, handmade craftsmanship, natural materials, and personal memories, rather than following fast changing trends. It creates a timeless home where every room reflects care, love, and a sense of belonging. Thanks for watching.